Good morning. First, let me start off by saying I wake up and I start these videos like this so you can feel good about you, because I know you do not look as ratchet as I look. Oh, your girl is struggling this morning and I have so much to do. But first, well, I've already had my coffee. I've already been in my comments about my hut, and y'all are feeling the same way I am. In fact, a lot of y'all, well, some of y'all have said y'all like it without the glass in the doors. I agree. I even told James, I don't know if I want to do the glass. Even though we've got it ordered, our neighbor across the street, he's going to get me 2 pieces of glass. But I'm really loving it. And then I had somebody, oh gosh, I meant to remember your name and I'm sorry, but I forgot. But they said chicken wire. Chicken wire? How perfect would chicken wire be? Would it go with all these chickens or what? I love that idea. So if the glass is like too much glare, I may try chicken wire. I don't know. And one of y'all, just one of y'all, which I'm sure several of y'all thought it, but you didn't say it. She told me, she was like, very sweet. She's like, please don't think I'm criticizing or anything, but I love everything except the mirror over the top. I agree. I don't like that mirror up there, but it needed something. But I'm on the hunt for something about that size. But I agree. I don't like the mirror up there either. It's definitely not staying there. It's a place filler for the time being, because it does just reflect the like kitchen light, and I don't like it either. So I'm looking for something for up there. But I'm so happy y'all loving the hutch, and the more I look at it, the more I told James, I said, I don't even care about you fixing a door. I don't even care. I'm not even thinking about painting it. I do have some, it's like, looks like vintage newspaper, contact paper coming in the mail. It should be here next couple days. I think Thursday is when it's supposed to be delivered. And I saved the pieces of paper she had in the bottom of it, which was literally like taped on there. It was just kind of like wrapping paper, but it was taped. So I've kept those. They're out in the garage as my template. And I am going to cover the inside with what looks like vintage newspapers. I had silver knobs that I put on the bottom that kind of mimic the silver knobs on the top. So that worked out great. And I have ordered the silicone covered bulbs, like the one I had over here that I showed y'all, for the lantern. I still don't like that light bulb. It's still a little bit too glaring. So I've ordered the other light bulb, and it should be here. And probably by the time y'all see this video, it'll be in there. So I have ordered that. This hair. I love my short hair, but I had to give up my luxurious ponytail to have the short do. So, anyway. So I'm gonna go feed my birds, swap over some laundry, start working on that. And then I've got to mop floors today. It's gotta happen. There's no putting it off anymore. These floors are terrible and they have got to be mopped. So cleaning my bathrooms, changing my sheets, laundry, mopping floors. That's what's gotta happen today. All the hard stuff. All the hard stuff. But I'm gonna get it done, and I know I'll feel so much better. But first, we gotta feed the birds. the two most important things are done for the day. Birds have been fed and coffee has been drank. So now I'm going to start on my laundry. I've got to load in the dryer. I need to fold and swap over. So let me get that done. I would just like to say I want to thank y'all so much for always showing up, hanging out with me, spending your time with me, whether it be you're drinking your coffee at the start of your day or you're winding down at the end of your day. Your presence always makes me feel so loved, and I appreciate you so much just for being here, just for being you. I have made so many amazing friends and contacts through this channel, and when I started this YouTube journey, I never in a million years dreamed that I would have 1,000 subscribers, much less, I think the last time I checked, I'm over 16,000, which just blows my mind, and I do not for a second take it for granted, because in the world of YouTube, or the world that matter, I am just a little bitty speck of sand on a beach of life. I was trying to be philosophical. I don't think it really worked that well, but you get what I'm saying, I hope. But I just want you to know that you matter, and I appreciate you, and I do my best to respond to all of you in the comment section. I don't ever want you to think that you don't matter. And I will say it's getting a little harder to find the time to comment, but I really try, not because I feel that I have to, but because I want to, because I appreciate you so much. Now, with that being said, let's talk about Vlogmas. With Vlogmas, I have to put, well, I don't have to, okay? I'm going to be putting out a video every day for the month of December, from the 1st to the 26th, every day. And I love doing Vlogmas, but I am going to really have to ask for your grace for me during that time. If I don't get to respond, like actually type out a response to everyone that comments, I read them all, and I will definitely heart them, but sometimes I know that can feel impersonal, like you're wondering, did they really read it, and they mash the little heart thing, or do they just mash the heart thing so the notification will go away, whatever. No, I read them all. I appreciate them all. I've got some amazing ideas from y'all. I don't ever mind the, what's the word I'm looking for? The critiques. I mean, some of y'all are so sweet about how you do it that you don't even want to voice your opinion about something, even if I've asked for it, because you don't want to hurt my feelings, and that matters, y'all. I really appreciate that. But a constructive criticism is the word I was looking for, I guess. But I've been very blessed to have the majority. You know, every channel has that one or two bad apple that's in a bad mood, decide to take it out on whoever they're watching. But overall, y'all, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed with y'all, and I want you to know how much I appreciate you. So during Vlogmas, please give me some grace. And just know that I am reading your comment. If I don't type one back, but it got a heart, it was read. As you can see, I got the kitchen mopped, and now I'm just kind of putting everything back into place. I did change out of my pajamas and put on some comfy clothes. And I mean, look, y'all, I know y'all sitting there watching this, and y'all are just so jealous and envious of this ponytail that I have. I know. And what can I say? What can I say? I cut a bunch of it off, but you know, I'm still left with this luxurious little ponytail, and there's nothing I can do about it. It's a blessing and a curse, you know. But honestly, I can't pull it up in a ponytail anymore, and it's really short to wear under a hat. I managed to make it work if I really, really have to. So while I was at home on this day, in full clean mode, I didn't care what I looked like, as you can tell. And y'all, why do I allow myself to get on the internet looking like I do? Knowing that I'm a train wreck. I look like a train wreck. And I look worse than some people look. Oh my gosh. I still sometimes watch, when I'm editing back and watching back, I'm just like, Donna, what are you thinking? But hopefully you get some cleaning motivation. I love watching cleaning channels. They totally motivate me, especially when I'm not feeling it. And I woke up on this day that I was filming this, not feeling it, but drinking that cup of coffee, you know, just getting with it. I definitely got into the mood, and the reward of a clean house afterwards, I'm still enjoying it today. And speaking of today, the day I'm doing this voiceover, this is the day after, and I filmed all day today, and I cannot wait for y'all to see that video. Y'all are going to die when you see the thrift haul that I'm going to share with you. I don't have it styled in that video, but I will do a video following it showing you how I've styled the things that I have. And then, you know, some things are for my booth for Christmas. I'm showing you what my booth looks like right now. It's still on, everything's on sale. I'm going to kind of watch it the rest of this week, and I may even, you know, raise the percentage of things off. I'm just really wanting to clear it out and not bring home a lot. It looks like it's gonna rain. I swear, anytime I mop my floors, it rains. It's like some people have that issue when they wash their cars. When I mop my floors, it rains. And y'all, please pardon my appearance. I mean, this is all I have left of my ponytail. I can't get this up in a ponytail. But I was hot, and I see no need in getting gussied up to clean house. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and make me some yogurt. I gotta get back on my little fasting deal. Kind of gotten slack on it. So I'm gonna make me some yogurt and eat that and just pray Buster stays asleep until the floor dries, which it doesn't take long to dry. So I'll get you out of bed. So as I was straightening up and finding stuff for my booth, I found this platter. I love it. It's an ironstone platter. I had a plate hanger, and I just put that up there. I like that so much better than the mirror. It just kind of goes with all the dishes. And then I also had this other taller light, and I've put that there. And I found some dishes that I had put away for like fall. I cannot wait to bring them out for Christmas. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The things I'm going to be able to do with this hutch, I just can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm actually thinking I may get James to make me another little teapot lamp, a tiny one like I have in my bedroom, to put in it. Oh, I love it. Because now I think it needs a light over here, but we'll see how it looks at night. I have ordered different bulbs. I'm just not loving that bulb, even though it's an Edison bulb. So I've ordered the larger base, like silicone type bulb. And I've ordered an LED light for in there so it won't get hot. but I love it. That little boy is still asleep. So that's the only room that's holding me up. Look at that angel baby. So now I'm going to show you a few clips of the clean house that I'm enjoying even now. And I want to say again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love y'all. I hope this gives you some motivation to get up and get things clean. You will thank yourself for it. You will thank yourself for it. I promise. It just smells so good and feels so good. And now I don't want to do anything because I don't want to mess it up. But I hope you have an amazing day. Come back and see me tomorrow for an amazing thrift haul. And I take you around to look at some of the booths in the antique mall where my booth is located. All right. I love y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.